Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and More. Today I will be sharing with you my design team project for NevermoreCreations17 on Etsy. The artist or the digital artist is Lindsay Zanor. I use Sunny Days Digital Sunflower Junk Journal Kit for this month's design team project for the month of October. And this is a journal that I made. Excuse me. This is a front cover. What I did was I cut out some images, leaf images from a napkin that I was sent in Happy Mail. Cut them out and I layered them on top of this paper that came from her kit. Then I put a sunflower. I chose to do a black trim as a closure. It has one signature of 10 pages folded in half. This is the back of the digital paper. The cover is soft cover with cardstock. This is the front cover. Let me take you in. I got this idea of the layered three envelopes from, oh my god, I think Artie Mays, if I remember correctly. And so you can, it has a tuck spot here, here, and then you can open up every envelope and put stuff in the envelopes, and then there's a pocket on top as well. I thought it was a great idea. I think it was Artie Mays that did it. It's here on YouTube. If I can find where I got it from, I will link it below in the description box. This is a free printable I found. Made a pocket. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry guys. It is not a good day for me as far as pain level. So let me take a seat. Oh man. Okay. This page came from the kit. It was called, or the digital kit is called, like I said, Sunny Days. So it had a lot of sunflowers in it, but I transitioned it into fall, so I did leave some of the pages as they were, but I did put fall elements in there. This came in the kit. Corner. I used some stickers that I had in my stash to turn it a little bit more fall. This came with a kit, but I cut it out instead of leaving it the way it was so I could make a little tuck spot. This came from the kit, and then I put the leaf on top, put some stuff there. I put some stickers, some stamping, this fibrous paper somebody sent me in Happy Mail, a tuck spot on top, flower, washi tape, some journaling areas that I made. Look at this beautiful page from the kit. This came from the kit as well. This I fussy cut from the kit. Love that. This is from the kit, and it's a tuck spot. I mean a belly band. I made a belly band, but this is from the kit. This is from the side. And this was from YouTube also. It's 1, 2, and then a tuck spot in the back. This came from the kit. I believe this was supposed to be here. This came from the kit. I made this one was from a paper pack. I made a little journaling spot, added a felt sticker that I got in Happy Mail. Came from the kit. Beautiful tickets. I made a belly band. This came from a scrap from the kit as I was working with it. Journaling. This came from the kit. It was a little journaling spot. I put it on a piece of cardstock, book page, and I added some trim and did some punch outs with my border punch. This came from the kit. I just added some trim up here. I made the paper clip. I left a lot of room for journaling, but I didn't want the pages to be so blank, so I paper clipped in some elements. More sunflower, the black. This came from the kit. I made a little journaling spot there. A tag with some trim on top. Belly band from some leftover scraps that I had from when I was working with her kit. This is stuff I had. Added a sticker for journaling. This was left blank for journaling from the kit. Book page I sewed around, put a wood veneer. I made this a booklet with some paper that somebody had sent me from Happy Mouth that it went well, and then I added some of that paper. Tucked it in here for some extra journaling. Kit. This came from the kit. This is a journaling spot, a hidden journaling spot here, and I left this blank so that you can journal here. The perpetual calendar came with the kit. I made this for journaling, added the sticker. These are pockets here, 1, 2, and then a pocket on top. This came from the kit. I made this, put some leaf from some trim I had, a sticker, lace, book page I sewed around. More journaling spots. Journaling spot back here. Belly band from the kit. I cut it off of a piece. A journaling, not the journaling. I'm so sorry, guys. The kit itself. This came with the kit. I made this tag. Put a flower, a moth. This one. And then you remove this, and this is left as a journaling spot. It has lined paper for journaling. In the kit, I added some flowers here to fall it up a little bit. Journaling space from the kit. Another one of those tuck spots. This one came from the kit as well. Again, some more coffee dyed area of paper for journaling. I stamped it, and then I just tucked this in. This journaling spot came from the kit. So did this flower one back here. Another pocket, button, leaf details, trim from the kit. And in the back, this came with a kit, and I left it as is. This is Sunny Days, and it has the same 3 envelopes. It has a pocket in the back. You open up the envelopes, and it has that. And then this is the back of the cover. I enjoyed working with this kit, and I really enjoyed transitioning into the fall season. I hope you like it. Let me know which one was your favorite element. And as always, guys, happy crafting. Bye.